Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Here's another one on that line.
Hmm?
Here's another one kind of on that line. But how do you feel about women's lib?
He wants to know about the women's liberation. What is our feeling about women?
That I don't want to discuss because as you have asked, I may explain that how foolish women are being cheated by the intelligent man.
Srila Prabhupada is liberating everybody. The chant Hare Krishna.
They have given in your country, they have given you liberty. Liberty means equal rights, is it not? Man and woman has got equal rights.
They're trying.
Huh?
They're trying in this country.
All right, trying. But you, woman, you cannot see that this so-called equal right means cheating the woman. Now, I say more clearly that a woman and man meets, now they become lovers, then they have sex, and the woman becomes pregnant, and the man goes out. The simple woman, she has to take charge of the child and beg from government, alms, please give me money. This is your independence. Do you admit this is independence? That the man makes the woman pregnant and he goes away without any responsibility. And the woman cannot give up the child. She maintains begging from the government. Or she tries to kill the child. Do you think it is very good independence? What is your answer?
To whether or not it's good to kill the child?
Yes, they are killing now. About child.
Do you think this is independence?
Wants to know your opinion of that kind of independence.
For the child? Or
For the woman.
Or the woman.
This is liberation. She has an affair with a man. She gets pregnant. The man leaves. Then she has to beg alms from the government to support the child.
Or
she kills the child. So is that good or bad?
Well, she has made the choice.
That means that is 34 hours. You have made your choice to kill your own child. Is that very good choice?
It's the worst crime you could
Our brain is getting larger.
Do you think it is very good business? Huh?
I think this is a very complicated question.
Therefore I say they are cheating you in the name of independence. That you do not understand. Therefore 34 hours. They are cheating you and you are thinking you are independent.
They forget the responsibility that comes with freedom.
They do not take the responsibility. They go away. They enjoy and go away. And the woman has to take the responsibility. Either kill the child and maintain it. Begging. Do you think begging is very good? In India, although their poverty is taken, still they do not remain independent. They remain under the husband. And the husband takes all responsibility. So she has neither to kill the child nor go to beg for maintaining the child. So which is independence? To remain under husband is independence, or to become free, to be enjoyed by everyone.
That's not where freedom is anyway.
Huh?
That's not where the freedom is.
So there is no freedom, still they think that there's freedom. That means under some plea, the men are cheating the woman. That's so in the name of independence, they have agreed to be cheated by another class. This is the situation.
In spite of that, can a woman know Krishna as
We have no such distinction.
no distinction?
We give Krishna consciousness both to the woman and man equally. We do not make any such distinction. But to protect them from this exploitation by man, we teach something that you do like this, you do like that. You be married, be settled up, don't wander independently. We teach them like that. But so far Krishna consciousness is concerned, we equally distribute. There is no such thing that, oh, you are woman, less intelligent or more intelligent, therefore you cannot have. We don't say that. We welcome woman, man, poor, rich, everyone. Because in that platform, equality. Vidya vinaya sampanne, brahmani, gavi, hastini, sunite, sapake, pandita, samadarishina. We do not refuse anyone. That is equality.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.